how we work is changing. As we're forced to adapt to less in-person human interaction, technology is now providing us with new and efficient breakthrough ways to oversee the security, safety, and operational needs of facility management. It's time to up our game. Let's talk security. You may have cameras throughout your facility. You may even employ unsupervised security guards, but that doesn't mean that there's eyes watching everything all the time. Let's agree that traditional security has its limitations in identifying and reducing theft, damage-related costs, and the enforcement of safety and compliance. I mean, really, if your security guard is dealing with an issue at one end of the yard, who's here watching the monitors? Birdseye agents are always watching and supervising everything. The Birdseye system combines state-of-the-art AI technology with professionally trained agents who are monitoring your whole facility around the clock. If we can see a planet cross a star 980 light years from Earth, we can see this guy. And him. This fool too. And rest assured, Birdseye agents manage the complete escalation process, from the initial voice-down warnings.
Attention, this is Birdseye Solutions. You're trespassing on private property.
To contacting local authorities for quicker response, to logging and pulling video and photo clips for evidence. Eyes on monitors. Someone's always watching. But for Birdseye, security innovations are just the tip of the iceberg. Now let's talk facility operations management. The Birdseye system is a powerful tool that oversees the complete needs of any facilities management.
Hello, sir. How was your day today?
I'm very good, thank you.
Thank you for your ID, sir. Have a great day.
It is designed to handle your complex operational protocols. It includes high-tech hardware that is turbocharged by artificial intelligence, and all of this is managed and operated by friendly professional agents. The Birdseye system not only enforces your facility's rules in real time, but it also provides you with detailed dashboards that will help you make better business decisions. Each facility presents its own unique challenges. Birdseye Solutions assessed our facility's existing systems, they identified areas of improvement, and they custom designed a facility supervision solution that supported our operational needs. Plus, all the additional cameras, hardware, installation, and access control were provided to us upfront at no charge by the specialists at Birdseye. That's right, no upfront costs. I'd say that they have an invested interest in our business. With Birdseye Solutions, we now have a complete end-to-end solution. With live agent interactions, the Birdseye system will securely grant access to our facility, assign parking, direct traffic, monitor inventory, protect our perimeter fence lines, collect vital data, and enforce safety and compliance.
Please, sir, could you put on your safety vest? Thank you.
And in real time, identify any property damage as it occurs. Like this guy, who our agent captured while he caused $15,000 in damages and tried to drive away. If he broke it, he's responsible for it. This has reduced our damage-related claim costs. All this is done through their proprietary software, advanced AI technology, and live agents on watch, proactively managing our facility 24/7. The folks at Birdseye are our trusted partners. They're professional, they're friendly, and they're a valued extension of our team and our company values. Not only are they invested in our company, they're always watching, managing our operations, and enforcing best practices in real time. And best of all, Birdseye provides me with meaningful data and analytics, so I can make better informed decisions for our company. The Birdseye system provides security, operational control, and safety and compliance in an all-in-one hassle-free turnkey solution, allowing me to focus on what matters most: our people, our customers, and the big picture.
Birdseye Solutions will save you $50,000 or your money back guaranteed. Please call us to schedule a security assessment of your facility, a $2,000 value at no cost to you.